Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. Please watch this video to the end, and if you like it, then support the channel with a like and subscribe. Let's go. In this video, I will review one news item that may affect the price of the SafeMoon cryptocurrency. How much will SafeMoon cost by the end of next month? Write your answers in the comments. SafeMoon has attracted the attention of the crypto community for several months by betting on several factors, including a value proposition to reward long-term hodlers. The founders designed the token to penalize those who sell at 10% tax, and redistribute 5% to investors who still walk, while the remaining 5% is burned. The token, which appeared in March, is also backed by celebrities including rapper Lil Yachty and YouTuber Jake Paul. The hype around SafeMoon led to the fact that on April 20th, the coin reached an all-time high of $0.00001375. Although the rally was short-lived, SafeMoon generally benefited from the recent crypto market rally, which also focused on other joke assets such as Dogecoin. According to CoinMarketCap, at the time of publication in the press, SafeMoon was trading at $0.00000048. Despite the popularity of SafeMoon, developers face accusations of using a Ponzi scheme. In addition, analysts have expressed concern about SafeMoon's unique structure, encouraging people to hold on, and the relative novelty is raising more questions. Concerns have slowed in recent weeks, but the SafeMoon problem doesn't seem to be going away anytime soon. A recent audit of smart contracts by blockchain security company HashX revealed 12 SafeMoon security vulnerabilities. The audit notes that SafeMoon may be subject to a short-term denial of ownership attack that could result in a loss of $20 million. In addition, HashX said that the founder of the SafeMoon contract controls a significant share of the coin's liquidity. Despite growing security concerns, SafeMoon has recently partnered with Simplex, a fiat and crypto infrastructure platform. The partnership is designed to offer an integrated SafeMoon wallet to serve a growing number of investors. Amid the security concerns, the SafeMoon team doesn't seem to be bothered, maintaining internal controls to address ownership issues. However, after criticism that the token does not have a basic and functional value, developers began to add additional features to increase competitiveness. At this point, the future of SafeMoon largely depends on the team and the community around it. Investing in SafeMoon requires caution, just like any other cryptocurrency. However, becoming a new token requires more faith in the team. Notably, the SafeMoon team has no proven long-term success in the crypto space. In addition, some analysts believe that SafeMoon may not reach the moon, after all, calling it a reset and pump token. Profits are fueled by a frenzied social media chat with influencers jostling for position to push through their favorite coins. His model appears to be aimed at helping early currency holders get rich as others pile in behind them, pushing the price even higher, said Suzanne Streeter, market analyst at investment firm Hargreaves Lansdown. Therefore, the SafeMoon team should benefit from the huge popularity of the token and address the community's security and ownership concerns. With transparency, SafeMoon has a chance to take off again. The live SafeMoon price today is $0.000003 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $20,692,000 United States dollars. SafeMoon is down 1.44% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 205, with a live market cap of $1,999,800,000 United States dollars. It has a circulating supply of 585,536,366,000,000 SAFEMOON coins and the max supply is not available. To date, SafeMoon is a very promising cryptocurrency that is worth investing in. What do you think will be the price of SafeMoon by the end of this week? Write your answers in the comments.